Chief of Defense Forces General Muhoozi Kainerugaba has ignited intense political reactions following a series of posts on X, formerly Twitter, formally declaring his presidential intentions for 2031 while issuing severe public threats against key political figures. 2031 presidential ambition. In his online declaration, General Muhoozi confirmed his intent to run for Uganda's highest office. I will stand for the highest office in the land in 2031 and we will win by the grace of Almighty God. He posted. He further stated that his father, President Museveni, would act as his campaign manager, claiming with my great father, Muse's support will get 90% in the elections in 2031. Lillian Aber also mobilizes Northern Uganda support. Responding directly to the announcement, Honorable Lillian Aber, Minister of State for Relief, Disaster Preparedness and Refugees and Kipgum woman MP welcomed the bid. She pledged full political backing, stating Kipgum and Northern Uganda at large stands ready. We will mobilize every parish, every sub-county. Victory is certain by God's grace. Now, there's also threats, in-law and personal assistance. Alongside his campaign declaration, General Muhoozi directed aggressive online warnings toward his brother-in-law, Odrek Rwabogo, and an aide named Bagonza, warning Rwabogo against engaging security officials without permission. Muhoozi posted the next time Odrek dares to call any security officer without my approval, he will be arrested. The threat escalated toward Bagonza when he was accused of theft and threatened with public violence and execution. I am going to make sure we execute people like Bagonza before the end of the year. If Bagonza dies during the during the caning, that will be a very good thing. I will make sure we cane Bagonza properly. You will receive the small number of 3,000 canes per week. We shall start caning his stomach tomorrow. He will lose weight after that. Firing squad for this thief. So, avenues of controversy interspeed among his political threats and campaign statements. General Muhoozi raised eyebrows, cultural and infrastructure ideas, including a proposal to build the highest statue of Jesus Christ in Africa on top of one of the hills in Kampala, while acknowledging foreign visitors and personal learning projects.